Good day, everyone. Hopefully everybody is wonderful. I just wanted to come on here and pay my respect to Leasing University and the founder, Matt Easton. The course that I took, so easy. It was very organized, very detailed, which I loved. If you're looking to make that investment, go ahead and make it. If you have not been convinced to make that investment or to go ahead and do it, please, humbly, I'll ask for you to allow this video to be the last video that you watch to be convinced, all right? Because I went through it. I just received my certification yesterday. Today is Saturday. So I just received my certification April 20th, and I'm so ecstatic. I'm so ecstatic. I'm going to use Matt as a reference on LinkedIn, and just Leasing University on my resume, period, is exceptional. So I greatly appreciate it. Matt Easton, I say this to you, sir. You keep doing it. Keep doing what you're doing. Even add more content if you do. When I find out about it, I may even reinvest. All right? But in the meantime, for those of you that's thinking about joining, let this be the video that convinces you. All right? Happy leasing.
The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm gonna show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm gonna show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be #1. All of a sudden, your career, it's gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're gonna help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.